Welcome back to CarZone Updater. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated cars of 2025, the Dodge Charger Daytona. This isn't just another car, it's a bold step into the future of muscle cars. Dodge has combined heritage, innovation, and pure adrenaline to create a machine that redefines what it means to drive a Charger. Let's get started. Introduction to the 2025 Dodge Charger Daytona. The Dodge Charger has always been a legend, a car that embodies power, performance, and American muscle. But the 2025 Dodge Charger Daytona takes that legacy to a whole new level. It's not just a car, it's a revolution. For the first time, the Charger goes electric, and trust us, it's a game changer. This isn't just about going green. Dodge has taken the heart and soul of the muscle car and infused it into a futuristic electric package that promises to thrill enthusiasts while embracing modern technology. The Daytona name is a nod to the past, a tribute to the iconic performance heritage of Dodge, but the 2025 model is all about what's next. Performance and power. Let's talk performance, because that's what Dodge does best. The 2025 Charger Daytona comes equipped with Dodge's revolutionary e-muscle drivetrain. At the heart of it is the 800V Banshee powertrain, delivering a staggering amount of power and torque. Dodge hasn't released all the numbers yet, but rumors suggest that this EV will outperform even the Hellcat. This Charger is designed to blow past the competition with instant torque, jaw-dropping acceleration, and of course, that unmistakable Dodge attitude. The Daytona isn't just fast, it's ferocious. But Dodge didn't stop there. To give drivers the authentic muscle car experience, the Charger Daytona features the Fratsonic chambered exhaust. Yes, you heard that right, an EV with an exhaust note. This isn't just any sound either. It's a deep, throaty roar that pays homage to classic V8 engines while setting a new standard for electric performance vehicles. Exterior design. One glance at the 2025 Dodge Charger Daytona and you'll know it's something special. Dodge has kept the muscular, aggressive stance we've come to love, but with a futuristic twist. The sleek, aerodynamic lines are complemented by bold details like the illuminated Fratsog badge, a throwback to the Dodge logo from the 1960s. The front fascia is dominated by the R-wing, a unique aerodynamic feature that channels air efficiently while maintaining the car's signature Dodge look. From the sculpted hood to the wide rear haunches, every inch of this car screams performance and style. And the wheels? Massive performance-oriented rims that give the Daytona a commanding presence on the road. Dodge has truly outdone itself, blending classic muscle car vibes with modern innovation. Interior features. Step inside the Charger Daytona and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit that's as futuristic as it is functional. The interior is packed with cutting-edge technology, including a massive digital display, advanced connectivity features, and customizable performance settings. The seats are designed for comfort and support, perfect for high-speed runs or long road trips. Premium materials and finishes give the cabin a luxurious feel, while ambient lighting sets the mood for every drive. And let's not forget the unique steering wheel and futuristic gear selector, which add a touch of sci-fi to the muscle car experience. Conclusion. The 2025 Dodge Charger Daytona isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's proof that the muscle car spirit is alive and well, even in an electric future. Dodge has managed to combine raw power, cutting-edge technology, and iconic design into a single package that's sure to turn heads and drop jaws. If you're a fan of the Charger legacy, the Daytona is your ticket to the next chapter. And if you're new to the world of muscle cars, there's no better time to join the revolution. Thanks for tuning in to CarZone Updater. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest cars, trends, and innovations in the automotive world. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep your engines or batteries running, and we'll see you in the fast lane.